Tradelle Dropshipping Review 2025. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's check out Tradelle over here and give you a review. So basically in Tradelle, you will be able to have dropshipping with this platform. And their product research over here, you are able to select from different picks over here. So basically Tradelle is picking really good products for you in this page. And if you want to check out currently trending products, you could also click on current trends over here and you will be able to see specific products with specific trends. So you will be able to know which products are going to sell well, as you can see here. They also have really good fulfillment sections over here, instructions, a lot of information that would help you connect your store over here. And unfortunately, there are so many paywall, as you can see here. So if you want to be able to use this platform to the best of its ability, you will have to pay at least $29.99 per month, or like $30 over here. Or for yearly, you have $19 or $20, or for a lifetime, you have almost $500 over here. So it's up to you if you want to use this platform. I think it's really great, although there are a lot of features that are not going to be available for you if you're going to stick for free. So it's a really good platform if you have enough budget or you have extra budget to spend on subscription. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.